In this video, I'm going to introduce a useful free website called PaperMe. If you've ever needed custom notebook paper, graph paper, dotted paper, music sheets, or other printable templates, this website can help you create them in just a few clicks. Let's take a look. When you open the website, you'll see a wide variety of paper customization options. Everything is organized in a simple and user-friendly interface. You can choose different paper types depending on your needs. Whether you're a student, designer, artist, engineer, or someone who simply enjoys writing, there's likely a template for you. One feature I really like is the ability to customize the appearance of the paper. You can change colors, patterns, spacing, line styles, and many other settings. As you make changes, the preview updates instantly, allowing you to see exactly how your final paper will look. You can also adjust the background, add patterns, and personalize the page to match your preferences. Another useful feature is the page settings section, where you can control the number of pages and other layout options. Once you're satisfied with your design, exporting is very simple. PaperMe allows you to export your paper in multiple formats, including PDF, SVG, PNG, and DOCX. This makes it easy to print your paper or use it in other projects and documents. Whether you're creating study materials, planning pages, drawing templates, journal pages, or technical paper, this website can save you a lot of time. And the best part is that most features are available directly in your browser without requiring complicated software. If you're interested in creating custom printable paper, I definitely recommend giving PaperMe a try. You can find the website link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful websites and technology content.